Hi, this is Kothe with the Kothe Team at My Home Group, and today I am out touring properties. Decided to stop by this Lennar community, Avion at the ballpark. Just pretty cool that it's located right across the street from the Goodyear Ballpark. This particular model is the Revolution. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. 26 square feet. And this particular floor plan is adding a NextGen suite. So I'm gonna take us this way now, so you can see all the cool features of the NextGen suite. Full kitchen. Access to the 2-car garage right there, and then the full kitchen. This particular one has gas cooking, breakfast bar, living room, bathroom, and then the master. If you would like to see this home or other homes at Avion at the ballpark, please contact me today. Thank you.